The state police looking into whether the Nye County Sheriff abused his position to look into political opponents, members of the media, and even his own neighbors.
As 8 News Now reporter James Schaefer found, that question is going to federal court, as the sheriff for now isn't even allowed to look up a license plate.
I think the important part here is understanding that there's a sheriff who cannot really do his job right now.
John Sorgett, a citizen journalist, is taking Nye County Sheriff Joe McGill to federal court, accusing him of misusing a confidential police database.
All of the information that's received in there is supposed to remain private. That's why the laws say that they're only supposed to be used for law enforcement purposes. If you're looking up political opponents, you can find things that you would release on them to discredit them.
The criminal justice information system known as CJIS cannot be used to look up just anybody without a cause, and someone who misuses it can lose their job. Records Sorgett requested show his name was searched for no reason back on January 23rd by Nye 1, the number 1 in the department.
I can't really say that I'm surprised, only because I had messaged him about it directly and the doxing and threats stopped immediately after.
Then an internal investigation into McGill about the search, which he acknowledged, but was unable to identify a specific law enforcement purpose necessitating the access. But what does McGill have to say?
I am aware of the federal lawsuit filed by Mr. Sorgett quite some time ago, which has been addressed with the pending motion to dismiss filed on behalf of all defendants.
The sheriff unable to answer our questions directly, reading a prepared statement. His campaign for re-election acknowledging he has since been suspended from the system, but arguing he is not under criminal investigation. One document Sorgett requested showing during the state's audit they found hundreds of names looked up in the system, including McGill's political opponents, members of the media, and others.
I would characterize them as a regime rather than an agency.
Including this individual, who Nye County told was searched around 50 times. He says he has no criminal history outside of speeding tickets.
Why should I believe someone that we're only seeing a silhouette of?
The reason why I'm in a silhouette and my voice is redacted is because I'm protecting myself further. I've already had to leave my home, sell it, and shut my business down.
The sheriff's attorney's dismissing these claims as lacking evidence and misfiled in court. But it's undeniable. Nye County neighbors are now asking if their names were searched as well.
There are law enforcement officials at the federal level that are looking into this. There are people at the state level looking into this. This is coming out. And let me tell you, you better be ready.
Reporting James Schaefer, 8 News Now.
The sheriff's attorney arguing the accuser can't prove damages. We should add that the accuser, Sorgett, provided us with all the public records, and we did confirm each one used in the story.
For the latest on this and other stories, visit 8newsnow.com and tune into our live newscasts on Channel 8 every day at 6 and 11 p.m. or weekdays from 4 to 7 a.m.